Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Natural Living by Enovi, where I show you how easy it is to prepare your favorite meals with healthy options, driving directions around Jamaica, self-care, home care, and so much more. My focus is always on a healthy lifestyle and discussions on how to maintain a positive mindset. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Subscription is free, so all you need to do is press that red arrow at the bottom of the video. Okay guys, so we're gonna we could turn left here and go Waterloo Road and go back into New Kingston, but I'm gonna take a little stop here at King's Plaza, stopping by the shoemaker. Another day I'll do a tour of all the shopping centers up top. I'm not sure if that's a one way. The one side of the one side of the gate is closed, so I will take the next entrance. And take the left here, there's a Popeyes on your right. And you can go down and turn right into that plaza there, so. And you can go further down and go down to Sonia's Homestyle Cooking Restaurant. That's where I just came off. a dentist upstairs too here. You have a nice little stationery place. Okay, I'm gonna drive. I could take the right, but I'm just gonna drive through this plaza to give you a little drive through. You have the heel bar on your left, you have a MoneyGram, you have a medical supplies distributor, you have a city cycle shop, and you have upstairs you have Ready Cash from Quartz, Jamaica, Cosmedent Dental Center, you have a tropical battery dealer here, Max Power. You have a Discount Beauty Supplies, and you have another clothes store, Brand Photo Studios up top, very good photos, professional photo studio. Discount Beauty Supply downstairs, a health food store, Bigfoot Liquor Food shoe store. I think that's an eyeglasses place down the bottom here. I used them once already. That's for my frames. There's a little lunch spot here. I'm not sure what they're selling there. You could turn right and go back to Halfway Tree. I'm gonna turn left because I want to show you up here. You could take this right, turn here and drive through these little shopping centers. As you drive through the first shopping center, you have Susie's, which is a very popular, a little more than average price for their things, but you get good quality stuff and food in there if you want to sit down somewhere quiet and just chill and eat a nice food. You have a clothes store near Dry Clean USA, some betting place. What is that over there? So Crocs store on your right. This is what shops at Southdale. Earth Elements on your left, Family Dentist. Earth Elements, a lot of natural personal care products and raw material too. They make those soaps also. Some realty company, and you have Southdale Hardware and Glass Supplies. That's one of my favorite stores if you need glass to be cut. They do like if you have a store and you want some little, or even like a bathroom, and so if you want some clear glass shelves, they do that too. Yeah, one of my favorite little places. On your right you have Music Mart, Evergrove Garden Center, Avis Car Rentals on your left. There's a nice restaurant down here. I haven't been there in a while. So you could take this left and go back to go around to Sonia's. So many places on this road. They all run out to the place in something, another grill on this on your right. You just pass it. They sell really good quality food. Really good quality food. I haven't been there in a while though. So we're back onto Waterloo Road. I've done a Waterloo Road video already. But since we're on the road, we could just go on for the little drive now. Holy Smokes across Grill and Chill. They used to have another name, and I'm not sure why. townhouse on your left. Nice little townhouse apartment complex. Girl Guides Association building on your left. You can rent it out for functions. They have a lot of craft fairs and stuff over there. Salvation Army on your right. Nigerian High Commission is on your right. Devon House is on your left. For the best ice cream in Jamaica. They have some nice restaurants. I did a Devon House video too. I will reference it. And if you want Popeyes and Krispy Kreme on your right, you can get that too. Waterloo Road, we're going over to Trafalgar Road now. Kingston again. Lots of new Kingston videos. Turn left to go JMB. NCB Atrium head office on your left. Took this left turn here in another video and we went on to watching my video. Remember to touch that red arrow at the bottom of the video to subscribe, or you can just touch the subscribe button if you're watching on your TV. Could you please just take up your phone and just find my channel Natural Living by Enovi and just subscribe to my channel please, so that I can reach my 1,000 subscribers, so I can get monetized, guys. I have over 100 videos. I'm still not monetized. And subscription is free, doesn't cost anything. And please make a comment, and you can also press the share button and share it to your Facebook page and just tell your friends to watch it. So I'm waiting on the green arrow to turn right. If you go straight ahead, you could take the left turn to go on Lady Musgrave Road, or take the right to go further on the other side of Lady Musgrave Road. So I really appreciate when you take the time out to watch my video. And if you're getting up to do something, you don't have to turn off the phone. Just take the phone with you, or let it just, if you're watching on the TV, let it continue to play so that my video can be watched. Because if you just watch a little part of the video, my video doesn't get pushed out, because it will make it seem as if the video is not interesting. So if you watch the whole video, then YouTube will automatically push out the video to more people, so more people will get to view my video.